Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are at another job here this morning. It's a pretty large house cleaning. We're doing the house, driveway, and wraparound sidewalk and the pool screen cage area. So let me walk you around and show you what we got. Okay, so it's a two-story house. Sidewalk comes down along here. It's corner lot, so it comes down along that side. But as you can see, a lot of green algae growth on the front of the house here. We have a second-story balcony. We need to get up there with the ladder to access that one. And the driveway, sidewalk going up to the front, and yeah, just a lot of dirt and algae growth. So okay, so this is the back area. We're just doing the screen enclosure right now. There's some spider webs up there and stuff. But they're gonna have us come back and do this pole deck at some point, so that's pretty bad. Needs some attention. And we're not going to do anything underneath here. As you can see, there's some previous water damage up here. I'm not sure exactly what that came from, but okay, so that's our project here this morning. So let's get moving. Okay, so we're all set here. I'll walk you around and show you how everything turned out. All the green's gone. Got everything up on that balcony on the second floor there. That was filthy up there. I don't think that's been cleaned in a long time. But here's the front of the house, front porch area. Yep, side of the house looking great. Go back to the pool cage. Yep, so much better for what it is. They're going to have us come back and do this, the pavers. Yeah, the pavers are pretty bad. He asked about taking the weeds out. I told him just to wait, because usually it's better to treat that once you know where the weeds are, instead of removing everything and then taking the chance that there's some weeds that you missed. So okay, well, that wraps up this job, and you're a very satisfied customer. Like I said, we'll be back at some point to do the pavers for him on that pole deck, but In the meantime, we're off to another job. We will see you there.